Do you want to do more and earn more each and every day? Well, I'm going to show you the exact 6 things that I do every day to allow me to do just that, so that you can do it too. Hi, it's Timothy Hyde here from ExpertMC.com, the channel dedicated to helping you become a better MC, both on stage and off stage. And in this short video, I'm going to show you those 6 steps I do every single day to drive my business forwards so that you can do the same thing. But before I do, a quick welcome to any new visitors to the channel. Hey, why don't you subscribe to the channel and join the thousands of others who already do so you don't miss out. You can hit the subscribe button below, you can hit the notification bell that's up in the top corner, and at the end of the video, if you want to, you can hit the like button as well. Now, this monthly video series is a little bit different than our regular weekly series where we look at the art and the business of being an MC. In these, we look at productivity and goal setting and development, essential skills for any independent entrepreneur or small business operator, or in fact anyone who wants to achieve more, get more done, and earn more. Now, studies of high achievers in all different fields at all different levels have found one common trait amongst them all. They all have a strong morning routine or ritual that they follow no matter what. And what this does is it eliminates procrastination. It eliminates dithering around. A focused and productive morning will lead to a focused and productive day. So what you need is a strong routine that starts your day off with a bang. I can assure you, if you change your morning routine, it will change your whole day. This is not my concept, though I've used a similar routine for many years myself, but I learned about this one in a book called Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, and I'll give you full details about the book in the description below. I just want to give you a quick snapshot so you get a bit of an overview of what the idea is, so if you're intrigued, you can find out more about it and possibly implement it yourself, or choose some little parts of it that you want to add to your morning routine, because it is very adaptable, it's very modular. And the basic concept, the basic idea is that you grab some extra time at the start of the day. Yep, get up a little bit earlier. And Hal suggests 1 full hour at the start of the day, but he does provide a way of doing it in just 10 minutes as well. And then in that extra time that you get at the start of the day, you follow 6 steps, and you can choose the order that you do those 6 steps, but they have the acronym S.A.V.E.R.S, that is S-A-V-E-R-S. Let's look at each of these in order very quickly. S is for silence, a period of contemplation at the start of a busy day. And the silence should be easy because you've got up before everybody else. Now, he suggests taking a few minutes to meditate, to pray, to focus yourself, or just sit quietly in a moment of peace. Now, A is for affirmations. Affirmations, yes, some positive self-talk to crank up your self-confidence and to empower you for the day that is ahead. And in the book, there's a huge selection that you can pick from if you haven't done affirmations before. It gives you some of the classic affirmations plus a framework that you can develop your own. V is for visualization. Visualization is a technique used by champion sports people and, of course, champion goal setters. And you see in your mind's eye what you are trying to achieve, or you see in your mind's eye the steps, you successfully doing the steps required to get you to that goal. You might see yourself sitting on a beach with your loved ones because you have achieved certain things or successfully completed a project or got your business to a certain level. Or you might see yourself writing 1,000 words a day to accomplish the book that you've always dreamed of writing, or a series of articles that you're going to put up on the web. So visualization, it's such a strong tool. E is for exercise. Yep, getting that old body moving. And the beauty though, the beauty of the miracle morning is that you schedule some time that ensures that you are going to do that exercise, be it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes a day. And it's so much more powerful to do that exercise at the start of the day than the end of the day when you're feeling tired and it's a chore to do it. If you do it at the start of the day, tick it off, and it gets you pumped up and ready for action. R is for reading. How many great books that you know could change your life, could really change your business for the better? How many of those books have you started but you've never finished? And the reason most people give is that I didn't have the time to finish it. And this is another way that the Miracle Morning can ensure that you read some of these books, because it will ensure that you spend a little bit of time, even if it's just 5 minutes, reading every morning. You're going to start polishing off some of those books and gaining the benefit from it. 5 minutes a day over a year is going to give you plenty of extra hours. So R is for reading. S is for subscribe. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. No, only joke. S is for scribe. And scribing, to write down, to give yourself a little bit of time to write down some of your goals, some of your dreams, some of your thoughts, some of your setbacks. Scribing, writing down, is great therapy, and you don't have to pay for it. I love these little moleskin notebooks. They're smaller than the little hardback, well, less pages than those little hardback moleskins, but these are perfect, and I write in mine every single day, and I actually use it for the 12-week year concept, which I'm going to discuss in the next video in this series. But so goals on one side and then progress, how I did, on the other side. There's obviously a whole lot more to this than I have had time to cover in this short video. Hal goes into great detail about each of the steps and explains the why and the how, gives you different options and ways of actually doing it, what you are going to achieve. I can assure you this really does work. You've probably got enough information just from this video to implement some of those things, but I urge you to check out the book as well if you are interested, and the description is found below. Coming up in the next video, it's our monthly news update. I'm going to tell you about a few things coming up, and we're also going to announce the winner of the competition. Somebody is going to win this, the ExpertMC Toolkit and Resource Manual. I'm also going to talk about nerves, how to overcome nerves on stage. Do you get nervous when you're in front of a couple of thousand people? Does your mouth go dry and your knees start shaking? Well, let's have a chat about that. So I'll see you in a week's time.